Hey, I wanted to give you a little bit of a summary of what the SQL Server Consulting packages are and what they build for and how they work. So you know you go with us or not go with somebody else. So let me give you a couple benefits while working with us. One is we only work with SQL servers. We don't touch MySQL, Oracle, and other any platforms. To me, that's a benefit because we just have crazy good expertise on mastered SQL Server. Just we spend time on that. Two is we only hire SQL Server senior DBAs, which means 15 years plus of experience. So unmatched Microsoft SQL Server expertise, no account managers. Number three is our consulting offer hours never expire. So you buy a block of 100 hours, you can use it a couple of years from now. No problem. Four is our SQL Server Health Check. We built that in-house. That is a unique health check. There is nothing like that on the market. We use that as a SQL audit and like a roadmap to go and deal with issues later on as we work on things. So to us, that's like unfair advantage that we use actually. Five is these engagements are very flexible. So you can scale up, scale down, buy a bunch of block hours, use them, stop using them, stuff like that. And you get like significant discounts as you buy like bigger blocks of hours. And number six is data security. We treat security with utmost importance. I won't go into all the technical details, what we do behind the scenes, but it starts with onboarding, how we onboard the DBAs, how we build our environment, how we manage everything that includes clients' data, how we access environments, stuff like that. So these are the six key benefits. The three ways to engage with us on SQL consulting packages. There are three packages: 20-hour, 50-hour, and 100-hour. 20-hour starts at $250 an hour. 50 hours is 225 per hour, and 100 hours is 200. So you get like a massive discounts if you know that you're gonna be working on something bigger. The key benefits to your business with that is like transparent pricing with no surprise fees. You get volume discounts, hours never expire, right? Like, and you just have like flexibility to go up or down or whatever. You have a senior level expertise when you need it. We have like, we can do, if it touches SQL Server, we can 100% do it. So an engagement process is very simple. We get on a initial chat, we discuss your SQL challenges, we figure out what is it that you actually, what is your desired state. We assess you as a step two. We will evaluate your system, like figure out like what needs to happen. And as a step three, we'll have an action plan, clear roadmap with flexible options how to proceed with pricing and stuff like that. Common use cases for consulting are like critical performance optimization. You have some bottleneck or something that is not performing very well. A great way to use it. You need another option is you need a high availability to stood up, right? You don't know how to do it. Maybe you are on premises, but you want high availability in the cloud, or anyway, any flavor of high availability or disaster recovery, we can do it. We can do architecture reviews. We can take a look at your like 70 servers you have and figure out, can we merge them? Can we put them together? Can we reduce down the pricing, licensing costs, stuff like that? Can we like cut down the instance sizes so they don't cost you as much in Azure, AWS, stuff like that? Great usage for migrations and upgrades. A lot of clients use us for that. So I'm not going to go into too much detail in migrations and upgrades. So I already talked about infrastructure cost reduction and any technical debt elimination. Basically, it's just figuring out like how do we fix this thing once and maybe we don't need ongoing support, right? So a couple things you do not get in consulting is one, you don't get 24/7 monitoring. There's no support. Our SLA for consulting is 24 to 72 hours, which means that we're gonna prefer schedule the things on the calendar before we kind of like talk to you and work on your stuff, right? Like, so it's not where you pick up the phone and you call us like whenever, right? That package is not built for that. There are different packages, emergency support and managed services for that, but this is not a package for that. So I want to be very clear. You do not get continuous monitoring or proactive like maintenance. We will not like install our monitoring and alerting software. We will not do any of that. So this is like strictly one-time kind of like service. We go in, we fix a thing, and we go out. Basically, that's as simple as it gets. And the other thing is, because I needed the third item, is we don't employ Microsoft SQL Server MVPs. I have a video about that, why we don't do that. We like strictly concentrate on delivering value to you, and that's all of our offerings are built for that. So hopefully that gives you a good overview of what consulting packages are, and hopefully I'll see you on the call soon.